situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity. Today, cloudy. Areas of drizzle this morning. Patchy fog this morning. Highs in the lower 40s.
Coming up next, it's Work It Out Wombats on WVIZ, PBS Kids.
Check out Lila in the Loop on PBS Kids. Lila and her pal Stu love to make things.
I've got an idea!
Even if it gets a bit messy sometimes.
Weekdays at 7:30 on WVIZ, PBS Kids. You're watching WVIZ, PBS Kids on IdeaStream Public Media.